In this video, I want to demonstrate how to start an assembly drawing. So my part's done. I've created the exploded configuration and I'm ready to make an assembly drawing. The first thing I want to do is go to the File drop-down menu and select Properties and make sure I've taken the time to fill in all of the properties I want to populate my title block and select OK. Next, again from the File drop-down menu, I'm going to select Make Drawing from Assembly. I'm going into my folder and I'll need to select the sheet size. I'm going to select my B size sheet and then select OK. The sheet will open, and on the right side of my screen I have the View palette open. The next thing I'm going to do, because I'm doing an assembly drawing, I'm going to uncheck Import Design Annotations, as I don't want these imported when I drag and drop a view into the sheet. So the first view I'm going to grab is my isometric view. So here's my isometric view. I'll just click on it and I'm going to drag and drop it into the sheet here. And I'll scroll down, and I like its display style set to shade it with edges and high quality, and I'll say OK. The next thing I want to do is I want to remove my note sections from this sheet, because typically assemblies are made up of various materials and stock sizes. So these notes don't apply to it. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to select Edit Sheet Format. I'm going to select the notes section and push Delete on my keyboard to remove it. And I'll right click again, select Edit Sheet, and it's gone. I haven't removed it from my sheet template, just this assembly sheet. Next, I'd like to add the exploded view. I can do that two ways. If I select this view, over here I can tell it to show in the exploded state. But I do want this view to be the collapsed state, so I'm just going to say OK. I'm going to come back to my View palette, and here I'm going to drag and drop the isometric exploded state into the drawing, and I'll place it over here. You'll notice how they're automatically aligned. And then I'll come here. Again, I'll change the display state to shade it with edges and high quality and say OK. So I now have a collapsed and exploded view on my sheet. If I don't like their positioning, I can always change that. I can drag this view here, and then I can drag this view here and rearrange it until I'm happy with how they are on the sheet. I'll double check all my title block fields filled in appropriately, and they did. So I'm happy with this. I'm going to save my work, and in the next video we'll look at how we add balloon items and a bill of material to this sheet.